Welcome back to the channel, my viewers, subscribers, Bvrnt. If it's the first time here, share, subscribe now, click that bell icon to turn on your post notification. You'll be notified whenever Bvrnt upload a video or content. Please follow us on Instagram as well at Just Vibes Radio, or the link is in the description as well. My viewers, subscribers, I have a few topics I want to talk about today. So, with any further ado, let's jump into the meat of the matter.
Jesus Christ, not kill him! Close that!
Police, eh?
Damn thief, man! Damn thief!
But people, first topic I want to talk about is that this youth here get him face bust up wicked in a Port Antonio after him did or him make one of the worst mistake in his entire life, my people. Sure you watch the video to the end also, my viewers, subscribers. So this man here who attempt for rob an accountant of and undermine some of money, you know, get catch and them did him wicked. So it is reported that, my viewers, subscribers, a man snatch a female purse with a whole of money in it, and by the time him for run off, my people, you know how the summer go as female. The female start scream for help, and it come like a God plan as the female scream out for help. So some man cross the road to the pre and rush the youth to grab the bag, and from them rush him, my viewers, subscribers, as I can see in the video, as them rush him, so them start lick him from left to right, bust up him face, bust up him eye, everywhere. Well, why? But them beat him up wicked, my viewers, subscribers. You see it? And at them things you like see. You see from you grab things, you forget beat up wicked. My only sorry say, I know so everywhere around still. But when people, you see a Port Antonio, them place in a ramp. And on the first, bag grabber get beat up. And if you don't want the video, if you don't see it, because by now I would assume probably most of you would have probably seen the video already. If you don't see the video as yet, you can link me on my Instagram, you send the video. You see it? The Instagram name is in the video as I can see on the screen, or if not, I can go in the description below and click the link and it will take you straight to my Instagram page. But my viewers, subscribers, them beat him up wicked, my people, wicked. You see it? And the female also retained the bag of money, you know, the purse should say rather, my people. And the female is an accountant at one of those money firm there. You know, I think it's MoneyGram, my people. You see it? And me I tell you, it was just everybody I rejoice. You see it? No matter how the police them a try if get the people them off of the youth, them a kick him same and them a beat him up wicked. You see it? I could have swear man and drop all a stone I made to my people. I want to see the video, man. You see it? I want to see the video. Just watch out this video to the end. You see it? And then make us see what go on, my people. So watch now. We'll move along. Some people will have some sad news now, my people. We have some sad news. You see, so a 12-year-old girl was burned to death in a fire of unknown origin, which left 7 other family members homeless at a house in Janza, St. James yesterday. The child has been identified as Hermesia Greenwood, if I call the name correct. Hermesia Greenwood, otherwise called Safai, of Summerhill district, also in St. James. My viewer subscribers, it was reported by St. James police are that shortly after 3 p.m. fire was seen coming from a section of the 5 apartment and concrete dwelling house located in the district. An alarm was raised and the fire department along with the police were summoned. Upon arriving at the scene, the firefighters saw the entire house being engulfed in flames, and it took several hours to get the blaze under control. The firemen carried out cooling down operations, followed by which the charred remains of the 12-year-old girl were found beneath the burnt rubbles. What is more shocking as well, some of your subscribers, that eyewitness heard the female or the young teen, you see it, or preteen, or this young female here crying out for help, and nobody could have actually assisted the female because by then the house was engulfed in flame, you see it, and there's no way to enter the house. You know, it was said that the female was doing some schoolwork, you know, and the fire starts. So by the time everybody for come out, person that were injured, it was really hard for them to get back inside the house. Another sad game of your subscribers. Now imagine this young girl here cry out for help. You see the smoke on her and she probably couldn't see, and nobody couldn't go up there for help, or fire brigade couldn't do it because it took them hours for out the fire. You see, it's just a sad case. You see it, I mean, know the family. And before me even proceed, my condolences goes out to the family and friends. RIP to this young girl here. It's just rough. It's one of the worst ways somebody can pass out. Just imagine you're in a house that burned down, you have nowhere for turn, and the fire just burn you up till you pass away. You see, my people, till they just perish. Like, it's just unbelievable, and it's just really hard for imagine, my people. So it's just sad. When me hear the story, me I say, yo, Jano, like, me I imagine how the parents and the loved one and feel for a young girl here who not even start life as yet, my people. You see, but Jano, it's just a sad day. Again, my condolence goes out to the family and friend of this young female by the name of Sapphire. So the dancehall star Beenie Man pleaded guilty to a breach of the curfew contrary to the Disaster Risk Management Act order when he appeared before the St. Elizabeth Parish Court in Black River, St. Elizabeth, on Monday. My viewers, subscribers, now, I don't know if you remember, say, yo, Beenie Man did breach the Disaster Risk Management Act. I don't know if you remember. But, yeah, he plead guilty feet. You see, my people, and based off of what the lawyer of Beenie Man said, and I quote, Beenie Man pleaded guilty to the breach and will be going back to court on May 14 to make a final plea in mitigation. On the date, Beenie Man will be sentenced and he is likely to be fined. He will now have the opportunity to lay out the circumstances why he should not be heavily fined. Attorney at law Rajiv Garden said. My viewers, subscribers, so as I hear sentence, there's a high possibility say him probably do some time. Might not be a long time, or once him can pay up the fine, then of course him now go jail. You see, but it depends on how much the fine is, even though him still go pay it off regardless, because I don't think nobody want to go to jail for that still, my people. But you know what the thing go, if him not pay it, him shall go to jail. And things you just show you, so the government kind of show you, so them not play. You see, and them we do anything, like once them catch you, see, especially if you are someone with influence on others, them are going to try put you away. Them are going to try prove a point upon you. Not necessarily for sink you, because breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act not come like committing a crime, you see, but then we try everything for proof to make an example out of you. And that would basically I say right now for Beenie Man. I mean, even though a lot of persons forgot about that, because me never remember see how Beenie Man did breach the Disaster Risk Management Act and still I got a court. Me never know. Me surprised and me see it and me say, say true, Beenie Man did have some kind of things like that, but yeah, him plead guilty. Might be fine, you see, but it not gonna be no whole heap or portion of money when him can't pay, because of course, as me say, if him not pay it, he shall go to prison. And me know him now want to go to jail for that because road sweet, so him not gonna pay the money. You see it? Him not gonna pay the money, of course, as I hear him liar say, you see it. And May 14, him go back to court and him gonna know how much him pay or how much the fine is and him sentence. You see, my people? But comment in the comment section below what are your thoughts on these 3 topics we covered. You see it? Also, ensure you subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon to turn on your post notification. Be free to also follow us on Instagram at Just Vibes Radio. The link will be in the description as well. You can click on it and it will take you directly to my Instagram page. Until next time, Just Vibes Radio. I'm out.